Hello, in this video I want to talk about what a prebiotic is versus what a probiotic is, how are they different and how they work together, what are the benefits and what kinds of food contain them. Probiotic. The word probiotic comes from the Latin pro, which means for, and the Greek biotic, meaning bios or for life. In 1907, a Russian scientist called Elie Mechnikov introduced the idea that gut flora being the live organisms that live in our body, can be modified in a way where the harmful microbiota can be replaced by the beneficial kind. Bacteria have always had the reputation of being dangerous. However, there are kinds of bacteria that live in a symbiotic relationship in our body. Symbiotic relationship meaning that they bring benefit to us and we also bring benefits to them as well. Probiotics are those live good bacteria that live in our body. Two of the most well-known probiotic bacteria are Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium. Now, prebiotic. The concept of prebiotic was first introduced in 1995 by Glenn Gibson and Marcel Robertford. Prebiotics are a group of nutrients that are degraded or broken down by the gut microbiota. So they are non-digestible dietary substances, which means that unlike probiotics, they are not living organisms. Two of the most important groups of prebiotics that are beneficial to humans are fructooligosaccharides and galactooligosaccharides. Although most of these prebiotics are carbs, not all of them are. So how they work together. For the bacteria in our gut to work properly and bring healthy improvements, they need to be fed properly. When prebiotic feeds the intestinal microbiota, the degradation or their broken down products are these short-chain fatty acids that are released into the blood circulations. Once these bacteria ferment the prebiotics, they can give health benefits to the host. One thing to keep in mind is that these bacteria or these gut microbiota are very selective. So different types of prebiotic will stimulate the growth of different bacteria. This all depends on the molecular structure of the prebiotic. So foods and benefits. Studies have shown that probiotics and prebiotics bring digestive health. They show to help conditions like diarrhea, constipation, IBS, yeast and urinary tract infections, and multiple other diseases. So some of prebiotic foods can be kimchi, sauerkraut, plain yogurt, pickled veggies, a Persian/Turkish drink called dugh or ayran. And for prebiotic foods, it can be bananas, collard greens, radishes, shallots, fruits, honey. So to summarize, probiotics are living organisms that live in our body in a symbiotic relationship where they do benefit themselves and also we benefit from them as well. Then they do that by removing the bad bacteria from our body. Prebiotics, on the other hand, are non-digestible nutrients that are consumed by the probiotics to improve their effect. You can kind of call them the good bacteria promoters. And both probiotic and prebiotics can be found in foods we eat, but also can be found in pills that you can buy over the counter, as some foods might not have that much of an abundant probiotic or prebiotic in them. Thank you for watching.